Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like 1AM. I got two presets, his main and his ad lib. I'm gonna jump right into it. This is what it sounds like with everything on it.
She called me like saying, do you want it? Yeah, I just text my bitch, she don't come in. I just pop a Zen, bitch on throat. You know we got sticks, we don't go. Bitch, I'm going 200, not in a Ford. Oh, you like my style of shit you can't afford. Yeah. Goddamn, come on, bitch, I want more. Yeah. Got my blicky tuck, you know I owe that score.
And this is what it sounds like with nothing on it besides auto-tune.
She called me like saying, do you want it? I just text my bitch, she don't come in. I just pop a Zen, bitch on throat. You know we got sticks, we don't go. Bitch, I'm going 200, not in a Ford. Oh, you like my style of shit you can't afford. Yeah. Goddamn, come on, bitch, I want more. Yeah. Got my blicky tuck, you know I owe that score.
If you want the preset, it'll be linked in the description. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming as well, so sub up so you can see those. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.